folks, I just can't get over this. Okay. I mean, wow. This has got to be like 8-9 inches of snow at least. I mean, just look at all the crap on my back porch. It's like 8 inches of snow. Northwest Florida. It's crazy. It's unbelievable. Look at the roof. I mean, shit, I don't know much about snow. I'm starting to worry about snow load. Wow. See if I can find the ground. There it is. There's the ground. I mean, you guys can't tell it. That's real deep right there, man. That's like 10 inches deep. Okay. Yeah, I'm not going to look for Bigfoot. Just had to walk back there and see what it was like to walk through my backyard in 9 inches of snow. It's crazy. Be good. Keep it real. I'm going to find Bigfoot. Keep checking back. You give me some time. I'm going to record one. It's coming.